EAMCET 2020 Class 1 Chemistry Atomic Structure. So we are going to start an online series of EAMCET 2020. We will try to cover all the units of all the subjects: physics, chemistry and mathematics. So we will also provide you the notes in the description. Make sure to download it from that link, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon and share these informative videos with your friends and family members.
Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Bright Tutorials. Today we will be going through the subject chemistry and the topic is atomic structure. Now let us solve some of the questions based on previous EAMCET papers. So first of all, atomic structure. So let's see first question. In which of the following product the uncertainty in velocity and uncertainty in position of a microparticle of mass m is not less than? So we know that formula is delta x into delta p is greater than or equal to h by 4 pi m, which can be splitted into h by 4 pi m is equals to h by 4 pi into 1 by m, which is automatically third option, h by 4 pi into 1 by m. Now solve next problem. Here, which of the following set of quantum numbers is correct for an electron in 3D orbital? So here you have given 3D orbital. That means n is equals to 3. So we have formula for L is equals to n minus 1, that is equals to L is equals to 3 minus 1, that is equals to L is equals to 2. And for m, we know that m values lies between minus L to plus L. So that is equals to minus 2, comma, minus 1, 0, 1, comma 2. That means m is equals to minus 2. And for s, it is in clockwise direction. This is in clockwise direction. So we have to take plus half. So next, third question. If the kinetic energy of a particle is reduced to half, de Broglie's wavelength becomes 2 times, 1.5 times, 4 times and root 2 times. We know that formula for this is lambda is equals to h by under root 2m into kinetic energy. With respect to kinetic energy, when kinetic energy is half, lambda dash is equals to 1 h by under root 2m kinetic energy by 2. This can be again split into h by under root 2 m kinetic energy by root 2 whole square. 2 can be written as root 2 whole square. So that means lambda dash is equals to h by under root 2m kinetic energy into 1 by root 2 whole square. This can be cancelled. Lambda dash is equals to h by under root 2m ke into 1 by root 2. h by under root 2m ke is nothing but lambda. So lambda dash is equals to substituting that. Lambda dash is equals to lambda by 1 by root 2. Lambda dash is equals to, it is taken towards upside, root 2 lambda. That is nothing but root 2 times. That is root 2 times. Let's go for another question. In an atom, the order of increasing energy of electrons with quantum numbers is. Here you have given some options. N is equals to 4, L is equals to 1, N is equals to 4, L is equals to 0, N is equals to 3, L is equals to 2, N is equals to 3 and L is equals to 1. And we have to arrange in these orders. So we have to apply N plus L rule here. So let's applying N plus L rule. Applying N plus L rule. So for first option, applying N plus L is equals to 4 plus 1, that is equals to 5. And for second one, N plus L is equals to 4 plus 0, that is equals to 4. And for third one, N plus L is equals to 3 plus 2, that is equals to 5. And for fourth option, N plus L is equals to 3 plus 1, that is equals to 4. So now in increasing order, that means first we have to start from decreasing, then we have to slowly increase that. So here fourth option has 4, so this comes first, then second, this comes second, so this is first, this is second, then third one comes third, and the first one comes fourth, so it comes fourth. So we have to see the order. So 4, 2, 3 and 1. 4, 2, 3 and 1. So the answer is 3. So the next question is, the number of radial nodes present in 3p orbital is 0, 1, 2 or 3. So we know that n is equals to 3. So n is equals to 3, and we also know that in quantum numbers s is equals to 0, p is equals to 1, d is equals to 2 and f is equals to 3. Since in this question he has given p is equals to 1, and we know that the number of formula for number of radials is nodes is n minus l minus 1. So therefore n is 3, l with respect to p is 1 and minus 1, that is equals to 3 minus 1 minus 1, that is equals to 1. So answer is 2. So the next question is, the radiation with maximum frequency is X-rays, radio waves, UV rays and IR rays. We know that with frequency gamma rays has 10 to the power of 19 frequency hertz, and for X-rays it has 10 to the power of 17 hertz, and for UV rays it has 10 to the power of 16 hertz, and for visible rays it has 10 to the power of 15 hertz, and for infrared rays it has 10 to the power of 14 hertz, and for microwave it has 10 to the power of 10 hertz, and for TV rays it has 10 to the power of 8 hertz, and for radio waves it has 10 to the power of 8 to 10 to the power of 7 hertz frequency. So we can see that here X-rays has 10 to the power of 17 hertz, while UV rays has 10 to the power of 16 hertz, IR rays has 10 to the power of 14 hertz, and radio wave has 10 to the power of 8 to 10 to the power of 7 hertz. So automatically X-rays have highest frequency. So answer is X-rays. So friends, this is the last problem. The number of angular and radial nodes of 4d orbital respectively are 1, 2, 3, 0, 2, 1 and 3, 1. So we know that in quantum numbers for s, p, d, f, s is equals to 0, p is equals to 1, d is equals to 2 and f is equals to 3. So we can know that here he has given d, so d is equals to 2, that is equals to l is equals to d is equals to 2, that means l is equals to 2, and he has also given n value, that is 4, since it is a 4d orbital. So we know the number of radial nodes. The formula is number of radial nodes is equals to n minus l minus 1, that is equals to n is 4 minus l is 2 minus 1, that is equals to 1. Since here l is 2 and radial nodes is 1, here he has asked the question in this manner that first he has asked angular nodes, then radial nodes. So we will also write in first angular is 2 and radial is 1. So answer is 2, 1. So answer is 2, 1, third option. So guys, please remember this only concept. These are not problems. So please go through the concept only. These were the problems based on atomic structures. So go through the concepts that we have said. Thank you.